Welcome here. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much for doing that. And if you're new here, make subscribe, like, share, and comment. Welcome here. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much for doing that. And if you're new here, make subscribe, like, share, and comment. Uhawe ikaze hano. Niyo waramaze gukora subscribe, warakoze cyane bikora. Kandi niba uri mushya hano, bikore kugira ngo notification zacu zose zizajye zikugeraho. Aha niho hantu hanyaho wakwigira. Let's get started. Let's get start our lesson. Reka dutangire isomo ryacu. What is auxiliary question? What is auxiliary question? Ibibazo biva ku nshinga nahangaha tugiye kubirebera kurikira. They are questions that you respond without giving much information. They are questions that you respond without giving much information. Ni ibibazo usubiza udatanze amakuru menshi. Ni ibibazo usubiza udatanze amakuru menshi. So, now we are going to learn these verbs: to do, to have, to be. Tugiye kubirebera hamwe. Ubu rero tugiye kwiga inshinga, gukora, kugira, kuba. Izi nshinga niba utazizi ntago uzamenya Icyongereza. Kurikira ahantu rero niho hantu hanyaho wamenyera Icyongereza kugira ngo izi nshinga zigufashe. Tugiye kureba muri simple present or simple past. Let's get started. Do mu Kinyarwanda bivuga gukora. Simple present ni do. Muvugo wa she, it, he tuvuga does. Ntabwo tukomeza kuvuga do. Urugero, she does. I do. It's not the same. Ukunda mata. Do you like milk? Yes, I do. Yego, ndabikunda. Yego, ndabikunda. No, I don't. This is negative. No, I don't. Oya, ntabwo mbikunda. Oya, ntabwo mbikunda. No, I don't. Does she your sister? Does she your sister? Yabari mushiki wawe? Yabari mushiki wawe? Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Yego, niwe. Yego, niwe. No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. Oya, siwe. Oya, siwe. No, she doesn't. Do they like it? Do they like it? Do they like it? Barabikunda. Barabikunda. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Yego, barabikunda. Yego, barabikunda. Or they like it. No, they don't. This is negative. I have to guhakana. No, they don't. Oya, ntabwo babikunda. Oya, ntabwo babikunda. This is simple past. Dukoresha DD. ibintu byarangiye dukoresha did. Gukora. Wabonye inshuti. Wabonye inshuti. Did you see friend? Did you see friend? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yego, naramubonye. Yego, naramubonye. Wibuke ko nyuma twabanje tuvuga ngo wabonye inshuti. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Oya, ntabwo namubonye. Oya, ntabwo namubonye. No, I didn't. Did it come? Did it come? Ese yaraje. Ese yaraje. Ishobora kuba ari imbwa. Koresha it. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Yego yaraje. Yego yaraje. Ibuke ko it dukoresha ari hariya honyine. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. Oya, ntabwo yaje. Oya, ntabwo yaje. No, it didn't. Did you cook? Did you cook? Mwatetse? Mwatetse? Yes, we did. Yes, we did. You and we byose ni nkaho ari kimwe. Yego, twatetse. No, we didn't. No, we didn't. Oya, ntabwo twatetse. Oya, ntabwo twatetse. Did I meet with you? Did I meet with you? Nahuye nawe? Nahuye nawe? Yes, I did. Yego, nahuye nawe. Yego, nahuye nawe. Yes, I did. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Oya, ntabwo nahuye nawe. Oya, ntabwo nahuye nawe. Did she meet with you? Yahuye nawe? Yes, she did. Yego, yahuye nanjye. No, she didn't. Oya, ntabwo yahuye nanjye. Oya, ntabwo yahuye nanjye. Did she meet with you? Ibuke ko hariya ari muri simple past. Simple past, did, do, tuyikonjega did, nta kintu gihindutseho, hose abari did. Ntabwo wavuga ngo does, negative. Ntabwo bishoboka. Hose dukoresha did. Did we visit? Did we visit? Warasuye? Warasuye? Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Yego, warasuye. Yego, warasuye. No, we didn't. No, we didn't. Oya, ntabwo twasuye. Oya, ntabwo twasuye. Did it accept? Did it accept? Cyemeye? Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Yego cyemeye. No, it didn't. Oya, ntabwo cyemeye. Gishobora kuba ari ikintu runaka cyanze kwemera akavuga it didn't. Have bivuga kugira. Simple present tuvuga have. Umuvugo wa tukavuga has. Reba urugero. Wamubonye. Have you seen him? Have you seen him? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Yego, namubonye. Yego, namubonye. No, I haven't. No, I haven't. Oya, ntabwo namubonye. Oya, ntabwo namubonye. He, and she, and it. Ukoresha has. Naho I, you, we, they. Ukoresha have. If you want to know how you can using, niba ushaka kumenya uko wakoresha muri izi nteruro, ugomba gukurikira kugira ngo umenye icyongereza neza. Ahangaha niho ushobora gutangirira kugira ngo bigufashe kurema interuro nziza kandi zizewe. Izi person singular nizo ugomba gukurikiza. Niyo mpamvu ku muvugo wa gatatu dukoresha has, naho ahandi hose tugakoresha have. Niba ushaka kumenya icyongereza ndakwinginze kurikira uko zikurikira. Yamubonye. Has he seen him? Abonye ko twakoresheje has. Niyo mpamvu twagiye ku muvugo wa gatatu. Yego yamubonye. Yego yamubonye. Yes, he has. Ari she, naho twavuga yes, she has. Yaba ari ku kintu twavuga yes, it has. Nabyo birashoboka. Oya, ntabwo yamubonye. Oya, ntabwo yamubonye. No, he hasn't. No, he hasn't. Ubwo no kuzindi hose ni have kugira muri simple past tuvuga had. Uko uzibona zitondetswe niko zikoreshwa muri simple past. Nta gihindukaho. Hose ko mugomba gukoresha had. Ntago tugira duhinduka. Verb to be ni kuba. Simple present dukoresha akara kijambo I, is, are. Turebe urugero. Ndi papa wawe. Am I your dad? Yego, uriwe. Yes, you are. Oya, ntabwo uriwe. No, you weren't. No, you aren't. Hera hejuru. I am. You are. She dukoresha is. Hara hose ni